Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, let's take a look again on the euro currency. So yesterday you can see market has dropped, and actually the riddle has been resolved that we discussed recently, since it was a really clear setup for direction. So market have had to stay either above intraday support to proceed upward direction, or it's definitely, as we said, will be downward continuation. And you can see, so with the crabber that has been formed here, today we've got another one, not today, yesterday we've got another one. So now both of them suggest the drop below these lows. So in today's session, before the release of the major data, overall activity could be lower, since everybody will wait for gross domestic product release and United States today, and tomorrow it will be for the Germany, Canada, and some other statistics. So it could really make significant impact on the market, especially the gross domestic product release, because currently everybody concerned with the recent interest rate hike, and it's a real big question. So whether it's real anticipation of the changing situation in the United States economy, or just some sentiment speculative activity that has no relation to reality. And if numbers on the gross domestic product will be poor, in general market expects somewhere around 4% growth, 3.3%, 4% growth in this quarter. We suggest that this could be even negative, because a lot of lockdowns was, overall situation with the pandemic was difficult, and well, the positive numbers, it still stands under question, so whether we'll get the positive numbers. So if negative numbers will be released, it should make impact on the interest rates in the United States, and in this case it tells you that the previous policy of the Fed stands intact, and overall situation stands intact, including the previously set of the driving factors, the stimulus and other stuff. So and situation could change here. So we will see what that data will be released. Currently, overall technical situation stands bearish with a possible downward continuation. So anyway, for taking the long position, we need to get some better, stronger levels and some real bullish context. Currently, we do not have it. On the forward time frame chart, I would consider currently, at least from the technical point of view, this pattern. So as market starts dropping, we have the ABCD pattern intact. Some retracement ABCD pullback has happened. Now market's turning down. Overall price action stands not very fast and strong, but still market is moving down. Fed statement has not made any impact on the market, as you can see. It's just some minor volatility has happened here, but nothing really interesting. And currently market is moving down again. So that's the level that I think that we could consider. This is OP around 120 area. So it's also 127 extension of the butterfly, where downward action could be completed. And take a look. That's previous top, actually. It's 120. Stands right here. It's more important that on the weekly chart, the 119 area is also strong conference support. So that will be an area where theoretically some interesting stops for possible taking long position could be formed, at least in very short-term perspective. So just for a technical, tactical pullback up from here, we could get some patience. But anyway, on the forward time frame chart, currently I think that we could consider this type of action. Personally, I'm not really interested in taking the long position right now, since it will be some kind of the gambling, because we do not know what the numbers will be, and better to keep in focus the major levels, major good support levels, where theoretically we could get the chance to go along. On the hourly chart, the same story. So recently we said this market has to stay either in this swing and has to continue upward direction. So if you would like to go along, you should do this somewhere in this area with the stops below these lows. If it will not happen, so market will drop. And Here we said that you could consider taking the short position based on the grabbers if you have the bearish view in the market. So you can see, so now market has dropped below this low, so raising any chance to form any ABCD pattern that we have suggested here. This could be the downward action. So on the hourly chart we have another butterfly, and if you calculate the 161 extension, it stands approximately the same level. So you can see 120.15 area. It agrees with the 4-hour time frame chart targets and major support on the daily chart. So let's keep watching. Those who have taken short position probably could hold them, just move stops to the break even. Also, you could try to possess yourself with this butterfly, but today it takes a bit more risk because you're taking the position right before release of the major statistics. For a long entry, well, I do not see good stops, except only if you would like to take the bet on the statistics. So data release. If you trade the data release, you could think about taking the position, but probably, as usual, this entry is forming when the statistics already has been released. So that is the things that we will keep an eye on today.